Okay, this is number 4 on the digital assignment for February 12th. This one is the first one where they give you a problem that starts with x equals instead of one that starts with y equals. If we were graphing these, then that would be an issue, but using the substitution method, it's actually okay that it starts with x equals instead. Because it just means that we're going to take everything it says x is equal to, the 3y minus 10, and we're going to substitute x for that in our other equation. And so just like we did on the last problem with y, we're literally just going to take x out of this problem. So I'm going to erase x out of that problem, and I'm going to replace it with 3y minus 10. And notice again, I am using parentheses here. The parentheses are going to make a difference on this problem. Okay, so it's good to when you're doing substitution method with these types of problems to just be in the habit of putting parentheses around it. Okay, because at this point, if I keep my parentheses on it, then that makes it a little bit more clear that I'm treating this next step like it is distribution. We're going to distribute the negative 2 through the parentheses. Negative 2 times 3y gives me negative 6y. Negative 2 times negative 10 gives me positive 20. And then I'm just going to bring down the rest of my equation. Plus 4y equals negative 4. Okay, well now just like the last problem, we're going to combine like terms. Negative 6y plus 4y gives me negative 2y. I still have my plus 20 equals negative 4. Now it's a two-step problem, so I'm going to subtract 20. Negative 2y, the 20s are going to cancel here, equals negative 4 minus 20. I'm getting further into the negative, so that gives me negative 24. If I want y by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 2. Negative 24 divided by negative 2 gives me a positive 12. So notice this time this is our y value, right? Y equals positive 12. So I'm still going to take that y value of 12 and I'm going to substitute it in to my top equation here. I could have used this other equation, but if I use the top equation, it already has x equals, and so I can just take the y out and put in a 12 to figure out what x is equal to. So if I do that, I'll carry it down here some. X equals 3, and instead of a y, we're going to put a 12, right, because it was times 12, and then minus 10. All right, well, 3 times 12, that's 36. 36 minus 10 gives me an x value of 26. So you do want to make sure that you're putting your answer in the right form. Coordinates are always x and then y. So let's make sure that we put our x value first. The x value was 26, and the y value second, because the y value was 12.